Lunch. I don't know.
Jesus.
Cross. Bible. Love.
Love.
Bible. Spear.
Trust. Trust. Singing.
Louder.
Farmaon.
What's the first word that comes to your mind when you say Jesus?
Loving.
What?
Loving.
Loving. How about you?
Saviour.
Saviour.
Oh, when I stand in front of people and talk to them, like give a speech. Yeah. Oh, when I got wasted in front of the college, you know. Yeah, Henderson, West Auckland. Yeah, that's when I meet someone new.
Someone new.
No good.
I don't really know.
When you're kissing guys.
When you sit right next to a girl.
Why? Excuse me, because I don't have anything to say.
In heaven?
In heaven.
All over the world, man. Taking over. Number one. Next, same thing. All over the world.
New Zealand.
Everywhere. New Zealand. New Zealand. Zimbabwe.
Samoa, mate. Samoa.
America.
Samoa.
685 straight up.
Sri Lanka.
You look Sri Lankan. Tell me, what's your favorite country?
India.
Huh?
What's your favorite country?
Samoan.
Samoan. Okay.
Samoan.
What's your favorite country, Muka? From countries. Yeah, because sometimes you make mistakes. Yeah. Because without Jesus, there is no life.
Yeah, and I believe when I have Jesus, everything will be possible for me. I know Jesus, what you gave me every time. Thanks.
Yeah. I need Jesus in my life. Need
Get some
trust,
girls.
faith, girls. Friends. Yep. Attend to me.
Brody, what?
May Jesus. Ông này mua mì hay mà los. Mua mì copy. My neighbor. Money. Need money for a car, man. Yes.
You need Jesus?
Excuse me, why you need Jesus?
You need Jesus? You need Jesus? You need Jesus in your life?
Yes.